Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your YouTube subscriptions public. It's very, very easy to do. It just takes a couple settings that you have to change on your YouTube account. But to get right into it here, all you have to do is just be logged into the account that you want to change the setting on. Once you're logged in on that account, you want to go to the top right of your screen and click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, you want to go down here and just click on settings. And once you open up settings, you'll see on the left-hand side, there's a couple different options for tabs. You want to click on the privacy tab. And then under the playlist and subscriptions, you'll see the option right here to keep all my subscriptions private. If you want to keep them private, you want to keep this tab on blue. But if you want to change your subscriptions to public, you just want to unclick that tab so it's gray, and then that will make all your subscriptions public. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to make your YouTube subscriptions public. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.